Yes, hello, good evening. My name is Jeremy Bulang from Villa Corazon. This is my 16th vlog. Please like and subscribe. This is takoyaki. This is we call that siomai and vegetable and sprouted.
You promote my oldie silog.
I promote the chiksilog.
Yes,
Chiksilog.
day
Silog. All day silog. O sino yung say yan?
Yes, we are. And then we have our Chef International.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes,
Please
chef.
say hi to my vlog.
10 pesos for the photo.
Thank you. Nice video.
Wrong hand.
No, wrong hand.
Bad look.
Sorry.
Bad look.
Mabuhay! Mabuhay, Philippines!
And you promote my sisig and then lechon kawali
Okay, sisig and lechon kawali on the house.
of Ate Gina's Kitchen and Pin.
Mabuhay.
Shake
Mabuhay.
it up.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Welcome, Philippines. Support them.
Thank you. Bye. Ako, te, luglog. Luglog ako sa Monday.
Oh,